Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of paying your insurance bill with Progressive Online using the Quick Pay feature. Follow these simple steps to ensure your payment is processed smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. 1. Visit the Progressive website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Progressive website at www.progressive.com. 2. Locate the Quick Pay option. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down to find the Customer Service section. Here you will see the Quick Pay option. Click on it to proceed. 3. Enter your details. You will be prompted to provide some essential information to identify your account. Enter your policy number, zip code, and the last name associated with the policy. 4. Verify your account. After entering your details, click the Continue button. Progressive will verify your account information to ensure everything matches. If your information is correct, you will be directed to the next step. 5. Select your payment. Amount. Choose the amount you wish to pay. You can pay your full bill or a partial amount, depending on your preference. 6. Enter payment information. Next, you'll need to provide your payment method. You can use a credit or debit card or a bank account for an electronic check. Enter your payment details as prompted. 7. Review your payment. Before finalizing your payment, take a moment to review all the details you've entered. Make sure everything is accurate to prevent any payment issues. 8. Complete the payment. Once you've confirmed that all the details are correct, click on the Submit Payment button. You will then receive a confirmation of your payment. 9. Save proof of payment. After the payment is successfully processed, be sure to save or print the confirmation for your records. This will serve as proof of your payment in case you need it in the future. By following these easy steps, you can conveniently pay your insurance bill with Progressive Online using the Quick Pay feature. It's quick, simple, and hassle-free. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.